Today I'm going to show you how to add draw.io flowcharts in MS Word. This is incredibly useful when you're creating professional documents that need visual diagrams to explain processes or workflows. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to draw.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a Start button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to a new tab where the draw.io editor will load, giving you a blank canvas to start creating your flowchart or diagram. Now, you can design your flowchart using Draw.io's intuitive tools. Take your time to build out your diagram exactly how you want it. Once you're satisfied with your creation, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, hover over or click on Export As, and then select PNG from the available export formats. This format works perfectly for inserting into Word documents while maintaining quality. After selecting PNG, a new window will pop up with several customization options for your diagram image. Here you can adjust settings like zoom level, border width, and overall size to ensure your diagram looks exactly right when inserted into your Word document. These adjustments are important because they'll determine how clean and readable your flowchart appears in the final document. Take a moment to preview these settings and make any necessary changes. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click the Export button. This will prepare your diagram for download. Next, you'll be prompted to give your file a name. Choose something descriptive that you'll easily recognize later. You'll also need to select the location where you want this file to be saved on your computer. Pick a folder that's easy to access, like your Downloads or Documents folder. After naming your file and choosing its destination, click OK. Your diagram will now be downloaded to your chosen location. Give it a moment to complete the download process. Now it's time to bring this diagram into your Microsoft Word document. Open your Word file and navigate to the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. Click on Insert, then look for the Picture option and click on it. From the drop-down that appears, select this device. This will open a file browser window. Navigate through your folders to find the diagram you just exported and downloaded from draw.io. Once you locate it, click on the file to select it, then click the Insert button. Your flowchart will now appear in your Word document, ready to be positioned and resized as needed to fit your document layout. And that's it. You've successfully created a flowchart in Draw.io and seamlessly integrated into your Microsoft Word document. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.